Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 5 Understanding Elementary Shapes Exercise 5.5 question number 4. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin. This question is, study the diagram. The line L is perpendicular to line M. Now, this is your line L. Okay, this horizontal line here is your line L. And this vertical line here M is your this vertical line here, this is your line M. Okay, now it is asking us, a part is CE equal to EG. Now CE is where? See, CE is over here, C and E from here to here, this much distance, and EG, so E and G, this much. Now you can see, since in this line we are given with numbers also, we can simply count the numbers and then we can tell if the number of numbers getting covered between CE is equal to the number of numbers which are getting covered between EG, then they are equal. Now if you count from CE, we have 3, 4 and 5. These are 3 numbers which we are having, 3, 4, 5. Then if you count from E to G, we have 5, 6, 7. 3 numbers again. Right, so 3 we are having 3 numbers in both of them. So that means yes, answer will be yes. CE is equal to EG. So you can write over here yes. Okay. Next part is, does PE bisect CG? PE and CG we know. See, PE is this point P and E. Okay, CG is this C to G. Now it is asking bisect. What does this word bisect mean? Bisect means to divide a line into 2 equal parts, right? To divide a line into 2 equal parts, right? Now if you see here, PE bisect CG. So if you count from this is your PE, right? So it is in the middle. Now if you count from CE and EG, if you see from CE we have 1, okay, 2, 1, 2, 2 units, okay. And if you go from E to G, okay, if you go from this CG, you can see it is coming in the middle. So CG is divided into 2 parts, CE and EG. Okay, now if you count from C to E, we have 1, 2, okay, and from E to G we have 1 and 2 units once again. So in both of them 2 units are there, right? So that it is dividing them equally, right? It is dividing them equally, and whenever it is getting divided into 2 equal parts, now you can see CE and EG, they are 2 equal parts. So that means it is getting bisected. So B answer will be yes. So PE does bisect CG. Okay. Now let us move on to the next part. This is, identify any 2 line segments for which PE is the perpendicular bisector. Now what is PE? This is our line PE, right? Now we have to identify in this any 2 lines for which this PE is a perpendicular bisector. What is a perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular is a line which intersects another line at 90 degrees. This is a perpendicular. And a bisector is a line which divides the line into 2 equal parts. So when you combine them, you get perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector is a line which intersects another line at 90 degrees and divides that line into 2 equal parts. Okay, so if you see here, first if we can take is this B to H. Okay, now how? See, from B to H, if you see, PE divides into BE and EH. Okay, these are the 2 parts it is getting divided into. And you see, from B to E we have 1, 2, 3 units. From E to H we have 1, 2, 3 units. They are getting divided into 2 equal parts. You can see they are intersecting each other. The next thing is the angle of 90 degrees. Now if you see closely, it is making a 90-degree angle because it is an L here. If you see this part, this is an L and this one also is an L. So L makes a 90 degrees angle. So first answer that will be our BH. BS. This is 1. Then next also we have to see. So if you see over here, you can write D and F also. Write DF when divided by EP divides DF into DE and EF. So two parts, DE and EF, and you can see the difference is of 1 unit. So they are equally getting divided. So you can write DF also as the answer. Okay, and let us move on to the next part. Next part is, are these true? So some statements are given. We have to tell that these statements are true or not. First one, AC is greater than FG. AC is this, A and C, and FG is this and this. Now if you see from A to C 1 and 2 units, from F to G only 1 unit. So which one is greater? Of course AC is greater. So this statement is also true. This statement is true. Then CD is equal to GH. If you see C to D we have 1 unit, from G to H we have 1 unit difference, right? 1 unit in each of them, so that means they are equal. It is true. Then BC is smaller than EH. BC is this one and EH is this one. You can already see BC is how much? This much, and EH is this much. So you can already see the difference by your fingers only, that which one is greater. EH is greater. So this statement is also true. So all are true. Okay. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.